friends, students, and enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel. So today again, one more project based on IoT. The name of the project is IoT-Based Vehicle Speed Monitoring and Vehicle Counting System using ESP32 with Overspeed Vehicle Count. So what we are going to see in this project, let's see the abstract part first. This project uses a Espressif, that is ESP32 board with two eye proximity sensors, OLED display, okay, a small display, and a web dashboard to monitor. What we are going to monitor: vehicle speed, vehicle count, live monitoring on browser and OLED screen also. And Wi-Fi based dashboard we also with that. We're going to see the Wi-Fi based dashboard. That means that is the IoT part. Wi-Fi based dashboard. The system calculates vehicle speed by measuring the time taken for a vehicle to pass between one IR, that is, we are using two IRs. How much time does it take from one IR, passing from one IR to the second IR, in front of the second IR? Placed as a fixed distance, approximately, we have taken as here at 20 centimeters. Similar IR triggered logic is widely used in ESP32 speed detection projects. So that is why we have used a IR sensor. So we come to the component part here. So components and the quantity we have given it here. So we are using ESP32 board since it's an IoT project. We have used IR proximity sensor modules. That is two models you can see here in the picture. Buzzer 1, LED 1, and OLED display. That is SSD 1306. The screen size is 128x64. It works on I2C. Breadboard, jumper wire, and USB cable, and 5V power supply that you can give it from USB also for testing purpose, or you can use an adapter also. So all this, how the connections have been given, I will just explain it first. So first of all, before that, going into that, we will see what is the working principle. So what vehicle counting, that is IR sensor 1, that is kept at the entrance, the vehicle entry. The vehicle count increases by 1. Speed measurement, that is the sensor 1 works like a start timer, and sensor 2 works like a stop sign. And there is a calculation that is done in the ESP32, which is there in this. So V is equal to D by T, where V is speed, D is time, and T as well. D is the distance, and T is the time. So the same formula has been used, and it will calculate how much time it has taken from the distance the car or any vehicle to cross or start from one place to another place. That is between the two sensors. So here one more this thing is there, that is overspeed logic also we have given. If vehicles exceeds the speed limit, like we have given here, like the normal speed is 40. If it crosses 40, that means in the code we have written, if it crosses the 40, then automatically the buzzer and the LED will come on. At the same time, you will have a display on the your OLED screen also, right? Okay, so how the dashboard looks like, I've just given a little small idea here. Vehicle count, whatever how many numbers of vehicles are passed, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 count wise, it will be given, and the speed it will be given, because from one to another it has to cross. If it is more than 40, then it will be coming over speed. Now, very important point is distance between the two sensors, we have kept it here is 20 centimeters. Okay, that is the only value we have taken in the codes also. All right, so how the circuit connection, ESP32, just the connections are very simple. One IR is connected to pin number 14, second is to pin number 27. Both of them are supplied with 3.3 volts and the ground is down. Whereas OLEDs, that is SSD 1306, that is also SCLS 22, SDS 21, because it is the I2C. So as you have seen in other this thing, 21 and 22 are the fixed. This also works on 3.3 volts and ground. Buzzer, again, it is connected to GPI 26. LED is connected to GPI 25. That is the anode part we have given. And cathode is through 220 ohm resistor. We have connected it to ground. Now, the main part is where we use this type of projects. So smart highways, school zone monitoring, where the speed limit is there, what number of vehicles, how many numbers are passed, parking entry monitoring, smart city projects, tool boot system, and traffic violation detection. So all is these places where we can use it, or we can change our title to the suitable selection. Okay, right. Okay. Now, I've given a small schematic diagram according to this. You can check the diagram, how the connection has been given. This has been made on Walkie software. IR proximity 1, IR proximity 2, which will give and how the two connections are given in 21, 22, one buzzer and LEDs. Very simple project. Right, let's go to our lab and check the real project. You can see the setup. I will make it a little closer, but first of all, let me explain it and then I will give you the close-up. So you can see on my web dashboard, I can see three parameters: vehicle count and speed and normal speed. Okay. Suppose this is one sensor, this is one sensor, this is one sensor number one, sensor number two. If I take my hand, or suppose the car passes through and goes through this, so it will say 0.94 because my hand movement is this thing, and the number of count is one here. Okay, you can see number of count is one here. Okay, and here also in the display you will see the number of count is one. So I'll just try to show you just by bringing in closely. Okay, so suppose I take my hand and just the car moves from this place. So number has changed to 2. Here also it has changed to 2. You can see here 2, and the speed is 0.94. So what is the limit we have kept it? We have kept it as a 40. So when it goes to 40, there is a light and a buzzer over here. So this will come up when the speed limit crosses that particular point. Okay, so this is the main project. I just wanted to show it to you. That's why I've shown it on the close approximately. So I will just tell you, very simple. OLED display, 2 sensors, 1 and 2 IR, buzzer, LED. Already I have given you the idea how it is connected. OLED is connected to 21 and 22, which are on this side. And sensor pins are on this side. That is, this two sensor pins are from this side. Even LED and buzzer are from this side. So how does it work? I've kept a scale also here. The scale also has been kept. Why? Because I just want to show you the distance between these two sensors. You have to keep it approximately 20 centimeters. The scale is of 15 centimeters. So approximately this two battery just for holding purpose. It's a rough type of diagram. Please remember. Okay. So this will be getting refreshed every 2 seconds or so. And I will show you once again with 3, 3, 4, 4. Likewise, you can see here it has changed to, this has changed to 4. On the display also you can see, just try to zoom it properly. Okay, so you can see the display also, display part also. All right, so I'm changing it. It becomes 5 here. This thing, the car passes through this thing and it will change. So this is the project, that is our IoT-based vehicle speed monitoring and counting system. I will share the codes also with you, because since the speed is very slow, so buzzer and light, when the high speed crosses 40, then only it will be showing you. Okay, I hope you will like this project. If you like, please, if you have any comments, please let me know. This is an IoT project where you can see it on your screen also. That is, you will see it on the screen also. What I have just now shown you, speed and this thing, you can see it on your screen. That is completed wirelessly. The same what you see here, the same thing will be shown here also. So this is my first IR and this is my second IR. Okay, so I hope you like this project. If any comments, if any questions, please let me know. Into our code parts, this is my main code. These are the 4 library. This is my name of my this thing. First of all, you have to select whatever board you have taken. So I've taken Do It ESP32, very common board. So I've connected to my Wi-Fi or my hotspot. This is the screen. About the screen that what I have used, that is OSD screen. You can see it over here, and the same thing. So first thing, you have to load this program. This is all the program, and this is for HTML. These are the HTML files after this for getting it on your any of the screen. So when you do this, I will be sharing this program. Well, the rest of the things I don't have to explain you what this thing. So first of all, after loading the program, I will just reset the button. Okay. So it is showing detecting. Okay. It will give you the Wi-Fi ID and password, and it will start. So, and when it starts, you can see, you can check the speed and all. Okay. You can see that it's changing. Speed and all is changing. So likewise, it will show you on this also. That is your serial monitor also. Okay. The speed and all. The light and the buzzer you cannot see. Why? Because the speed has not crossed 40 kilometers, right? And I've already explained you where we can use this. I hope you like this project, and any question related to this, please do write to me, right? Thanks for watching. See you next time.